Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in my series of tutorials for my beginner video friends today, I'm going to show you these cute little drop earrings which are very easy to make. And here this drop which is adding the bling and the beauty to these earrings. So I have named these as easy drop earrings. So here are the easy drop earrings in beautiful aquamarine color. You can see the bling. It looks so beautiful, and these are so cute and very easy to make earrings. One more colorway that I have already made is this gorgeous pink color. You can see the bling even here also. And in today's video, we are going to make this easy drop earring in emerald green color. So let us see what all material do we need to make our easy drop earring in this beautiful emerald green color. Friends, for making our easy drop earring in this beautiful emerald green color, we are going to use these 6 mm shell pearls in light pink color, and these are 3 mm shell pearls in light pink color. Here I'm using these 4 mm bicones in emerald green color, and these drop beads, these are in size 14 by 10 mm, and you can see the size. In other earrings, here I have used this drop in size 12 by 8 mm, but you can see the difference in both the earrings. This bigger drop is adding the volume to our earring. So here it depends on you which size of drops you are going to use. But in this video, I'm going to use this 14 by 10 mm drop bead in emerald green color. Then I'm going to use these 11 O's. These are Miyuki duracoat galvanized silver 11 O's, and the 15 O's Miyuki duracoat galvanized silver 15 O's. Here I'm going to use these ear wires for my earrings. I'll be working with Miyuki thread and size 12 beading needle. So let's get started. Friends, we will start making our easy drop earring by picking up the 6 mm pearl and 8 11 silver, 2, 4, 6 and 8. And now I'm bringing these down towards the end of my thread, and here I'm going to tie a double knot very carefully. Like this. And now back into the 6 mm pearl, pulling in the thread, the tail, and now stepping up into the first 4 11 O's, picking up one more 11 O, and down into the next 4 11 O's. Just pull it tight, holding the tail back into the pearl, up through the 4 11 O's, and into the one that we have added in the center, like this. And now picking up 6 15 O silver, so here I have picked up 6 15 O's, 3 and 3 6, back into the 11 O, the center one, stepping up into the first 2 15 O's, like this, picking up one more 15 silver into the third 15, just pull it tight here, again picking up one more 15 into the fourth 15, picking up one more 15 back into the last two 15s, that is the fifth and sixth 15, down through these two 15s, just pull the thread tight here, and now I'm not going to pass through the 11, moving up through the first and second 15, like this. You can see the loop that we have made for our ear wire through all these 15s, also the ones that we have added in the last round. Like this, down through all the 15s, and now into the 11, down through rest of the four 11s, and into the pearl. So here we have added the loop, and now as I'm exiting through this 6 pearl, I'm going to pick up one 3 pearl, one 3 pearl, one 4 bicone, one 3 pearl, one 4 bicone, and one 3 pearl. So here I have picked up the set of these 5 beads, and I'm going to pass through the 6 pearl like this, down through the pearl and the bicone. Keep your thread nice and tight here, into this pearl, the middle one at the bottom, and now I'm going to pick up 5 11 of silver. And here you can see right now I'm exiting through this 3 pearl from this side, and after picking up these beads I'm going to pass through the 6 pearl on the opposite side, crisscross like this, like this. Now picking up 3 11 of silver, just holding it downwards like this. I'm going to pass through 1 2 3 and 4th 11 from here, the 4th 11, 1 2 3 and 4th 11 from here, from, and moving down, just pulling it nice and tight. Now on this side I have 1 2 3 and 4th. This 4th 11 is common for both these sides, and now I'm picking up one more 11, the 5th one, and into this 3 pearl from the opposite side, like this. Just pull it tight, and you can see the look. And now after exiting through this 3 pearl, I'm going to pick up 4 15 silver and passing through this 3 pearl like this, stepping up into the first two 15s. But before proceeding further, let us first cut the tail off as we no longer need it. And now you can see I just stepped up into the first two 15s and now I'm picking up one 15 silver and into the next two 15s. Just pull it tight and here it is into the 3 pearl up through the three 15s together and exiting through the one that we just added in this round, this middle 15. And now I'm going to pick up one 11 silver, a drop bead and one 11 silver, these three beads. And now bringing these down and skipping this 11 at the bottom, moving up through the drop bead and the 11 like this and into this 15. So here we exited through this side. I'm going to pass through the opposite side of the 15 to add the drop over here. If you want, you can take one more pass. If you want to reinforce your thread, you can take one more pass, but it will stiffen this drop and it is not going to just hang like this. So I'm not taking the second pass. Just after adding the drop, I'm moving up into the next two 15 silver like this, into the 3 pearl, up into the bicone. You can see the loop here and here. In between this 4 bicone and 3 pearl, I'm going to tie one knot just to secure my thread. Up through the 3 pearl and one more knot between the 3 pearl and the 6 pearl. The second knot into the 6 pearl, down through the 3 pearl and the bicone. And now we are going to cut the thread off. Very carefully. And here we have completed our easy drop earring in emerald green color, and we're going to slip in the ear wire. These are very easy to use ear wire. You just have to pull this front here, and from this front side of the earring just slip in to the loop like this and push it, and you're done. So this is our easy drop earring in this gorgeous emerald green color. So here is the look. See how gorgeous it looks. Let us take a quick look over other earrings. One in pink color and the other one in aquamarine color. So these are some of the colorways. You can see the difference the drop has made in these earrings. This is the smaller size drop of about 12 by 8 mm, and here this drop that we have used in this emerald green earring is of size 14 by 10 mm. You can see the size, even the size differs, and it is adding the volume to the earring, making it more gorgeous. So I hope you would love making these cute little easy drop earrings. And not only making this, you will love gifting it to your friends and families, as these are very, very easy to make. So friends, if you like my designs and my tutorials, please do subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when I'll upload my next videos. Thank you and namaste.